I'm here with my sister.
Hello.
And we're going to Ikea. Woo. Going to Ikea. Going to Ikea. We haven't been here in like, we were trying to remember. Carrie was here last year, December.
Yeah.
I think it might have been the December before I was here.
Oh my, that's way too long.
It was really long. So we're excited. There's your little hanging things, yeah.
That's not the kind of engagement.
Oh.
That's just really decorative.
Yeah, that's very 70s. If it were in brown. Ooh, I like this sofa.
That's cool.
Yes, I like this too.
Like leathery?
Yeah. All right, so as you can see, the dogs are gonna go crazy now because I've turned on the camera. But anyways, so I did go to Ikea the other day with my sister and we had so much fun. We spent like 2.5 hours there. We probably could have spent longer, but we were kind of starting to get tired. So I have some fun things to share with you that I picked up. I'm excited to share with you. It has been forever since I've been to Ikea. Like I think I mentioned earlier in the video. I'm trying to remember the last time I was there and I can't even remember. So needless to say, I was due for a Ikea trip. So I'm excited to share with you what I got. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So I'm not going to go in any particular order, just like I've got a pile in front of me and I'll just start from the top and work my way down. So the first thing I have to share with you are 2 brand new wooden spoons. These were $1.99 each and I really like them. They're super smooth. I like how big the head of the spoon is, and I really like the fact that it's got this flat edge on the front. I think that'll be really helpful. So I don't have any like this, and so for $1.99 I decided I would pick up 2 of them and see how I like them. So I'm pretty excited about these, to tell you the truth. And $1.99 is a really good price. That is for sure. So the next thing I picked up were some itty bitty little hooks. There's a 3-pack of them. And they look like this. They were $1.99 as well. They came in the silver finish and they also came, I think, in a black finish. But I thought these were really nice, as in they're nice and tiny. What I was thinking I might do is add a few hooks along my beadboard in my kitchen on my one wall right over here that has a shelf on it that's got hooks underneath it. But I thought maybe a couple little hooks on the wall might be kind of nice to hang a few extra things up. So I got those for that, but I may end up using them somewhere else. I'm not really sure right now. But I thought those were good. A good little thing to pick up at a really good price. One thing I always pick up when I am at Ikea are their hand towels. I love the red and white version ones. I didn't see anything but the red and white version. Sometimes they have like a tan version or a blue version or a green version, but I always pick up the red and white ones, and sometimes they're really hard to find, but I think at Christmas time they bring out the red and white ones. And these are awesome. I have quite a few of them already, and every time I go I pick up another, stack of them. So I picked up 5 of them today. These are 79 cents each, and they're nice and big, and they have the stripe on both sides, and I just love these. They don't leave, they're good for drying dishes, because they aren't, they don't leave that linty stuff on your dishes. They're great for proofing bread, like put it over your bread items as they're rising, that sort of thing. So I will go through my stash of the ones that I already have, take out the really stained ones and turn those into rags and replace them with this stack of brand new crisp ones. I'm pretty excited about that. It's pretty funny that you get excited about hand towels, but I love those things so much. So I'm pretty excited about those. Alright, so then the next thing I picked up, they had some cute, adorable little lanterns. I am a sucker for lanterns, and I haven't bought a lantern in a really long time. I bought candle holders, but I've actually been on the lookout for some new lanterns to update my lantern collection. Because I'm kind of tired of my old ones. So I found 2 little tea light lanterns that I absolutely fell in love with. I think these are so cute. They've got a nice little design on the side, and then they've got a handle, but it's, tied down at the moment. And then it holds a tea light. You can see that in there, which I think is so cute. So I picked up 2 of them, as you can see, and these were, how much were these? These were $3.99, which I thought was an awesome price. They had them in red, they had them in white, and they had them in black. So of course I went with the red ones, because I think these would be really cute to use in my Christmas decor, and then, as a 4th of July, anytime I want to use red, because you guys know how much I love red. I only picked up 2. I probably should have picked up 3, because now I have a fabulous idea that I want to do, but I can't do it. So I will just tell you guys the idea. So if you're going to Ikea, you can pick up 3 of the lanterns and use my idea. And that is to do just a really super duper easy tablescape for either a coffee table or, like I was thinking, more of a centerpiece. Just put down a big plank of wood on your table. center the little candles and down the middle of it, and then add some little greenery and some ornaments. I think that would look so cute, and it would be adorable if you added a few little, like, I don't know, little deer or a little snowman or something like that. I think that would be so, so cute. So I guess I could do it with 2, but I just think 3 makes a bigger statement. You know what I mean? So anyways, so that is what now I'm like, oh man, I should go back. Because I think this is considered a seasonal item. I don't know if they will have it on their website, but I should check it out. Anyways, I think these are super adorable, and I love them a lot. So that'll be fun. And of course, if you have battery-operated tea lights, that's even better. Because then they'll just come on every single night. You don't even have to worry about it. So anyways, I'm going to stop blabbing now. All right, so then the next thing I picked up was 3 new pillows to use in my bedroom. I adore Ikea's down-filled pillows. And in the past, I've always gotten their 20-inch ones, which is perfect for like couches and chairs and that sort of thing. Well, I thought I would try their bigger ones, which are 26 by 26. Here is the little brand right here if you want to check it out. I love these kind of pillows, at least the smaller ones. I love them because they're soft and they're moldable. They're super easy to make pillowcase covers for, which I make all the time. And I do have a tutorial on how to make those. I'll link that down below if you guys are interested. Just a quick little envelope style pillowcase, and they work out perfectly for these pillows. And they have a nice a little bit of a finished edge, which I love. But anyways, so if you guys have been around, you guys have seen that tutorial, and you have seen all the wonderful pillowcases that I make. So I did look for pillowcases for the 3 pillows that I picked up, but I didn't find any that I liked. Well, I found some that I liked, but I wasn't sure what color to go with because I'm thinking Christmas in my head right now, and I don't know where I'm going for my Christmas decor in my bedroom yet. So I passed up on the pillows because I didn't want to just buy something random. And I was trying to find just basic white ones to go on these, but for some reason they were completely out of anything white. They had cream, and they had like light tan, but I wanted white. So what I ended up doing instead was buying myself a curtain, which is this right here. It is, here's the little, there's the brand, and this one actually has 2 panels in it. I have picked up this exact curtain many, many times in many different colors. They should come in quite a few different colors, and I buy it for the fabric because the fabric is got like a linen look to it and kind of a feel of linen, and it's a nice medium weight fabric, and you get so much fabric in these. They're like 118 inches long by 57 inches wide, and you get 2 of them in here for $40. So I love these because it's much cheaper than going to the fabric store and buying linen, because linen is expensive. This is a very good dupe for linen if you don't have to have the real thing. So I will be making pillow covers out of these curtains for my new pillows that I am super excited about. So love that. So that leads me to the very last thing that I picked up, and this is actually a Christmas item. I went through, as you saw in the video already, all their Christmas stuff, and this is the only thing that I really felt like I really had to have. I'm trying to not buy too many new Christmas items and to use what I have this year. It's kind of my plan. Don't know if that'll happen, but I saw these adorable little trees. Oh my gosh, these are just too adorable. I was just like, oh my gosh, these are so cute. These were $1.99 if I remember correctly. Yep, $1.99, and I ended up picking up 7 of them, and I think they are so cute. They look so real, and they're super soft to the touch, and I love them. Okay, the dogs are scratching my legs up. They want some attention. But anyways, I think these are super adorable. So adorable. It's just too cute. So I think, and they're a nice little size. They will fit. I've already checked it out. If you have a rather tall, like mug or a teacup, they fit perfectly inside of them. which I think is awesome. So anyways, I am just loving these. I thought I was going to pick up 6. I was planning on picking up 6, but somehow or another, I think I ended up with 7. And I think maybe I might have stolen one from my sister. So I have to call her and see if she wanted, how many she wanted, because I think I have one of hers. But that's alright. Alright, so that is what I picked up at Ikea. That's the last time around. I'd love to know down in the comments what you guys think of this video. And of course, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye now.